name's Jesse. I'm a general contractor here in Portland, currently inactive during COVID. Watching my two kids and trying to get all their school stuff back on some sense of normal. Anyway, I'm looking for some bids on a fence. Most likely will be some kind of post and picket. Some other options are brick with panels in between, or all brick, or all block, or block with panels in between. I got some plans to show you and dimensions that are all accurate-ish. Before I obviously go forward with work being done, we should have an on-site visit. Until then, I thought this would be an idea to save everybody some driving and some time. All right, let me get started. This is the first time doing this like this, or even making videos. So bear with me, appreciate it. So here's our property. We are looking total fence length that we would need is this north wall, east and south, which is a total of about 227 feet. Two gates, which I'll be taking care of. Would like to match materials to whatever we do, unless it's brick. You can't make a brick gate. Anyway, 14 foot there. This portion in red is the absolute, we must do this. Depending on bids and our finances, we may have to default to this, because this is where it's completely broken or rotted or eaten by ivy. So that whole length is 124 feet. I've had the utilities come out and check for services. What's back here, this red line, is power. That's not exact. They said if you dig any holes exactly, get us out there, we'll do an exact thing. But there's a box here, and the power runs here, and then down the length of the neighbor's driveway. I think that's it. Currently, there's a cedar fence here. It's an okay shape, and this portion here is an okay shape. This is completely rotten. So the options that we are looking at would be something like this with posts and concrete. I'm not sure who did the work on the existing one here. We moved in 6 years ago. I don't know if what's out there is in concrete or not. Some definitely seem to not. I'm showing here with wood, but vinyl would be preferred. We are into low maintenance. Ideally, we get it done right once and don't have to worry about it for a long time. Second option is a brick or a block with panels in between. Again, I'm showing here with cedar because I don't want to make 1,000 pictures of all the different materials. But cedar or vinyl, or I'm not sure if there's any other materials out there that would be worth exploring. Options 4 and 5 would just be an all brick. I am not a brick person, never done brick. I've done helped with some fences, so I'm not sure if this is the X pattern. This might be a little bit too narrow of columns for the height we're looking for. And that's it. Thank you. I have a tour of the, not a tour, I walked the fence. It's a pretty flat yard. There's not any really big drops. There's a hill here and a hill here. Both are under 2 feet-ish, just a guess. And it's pretty overgrown, like you'll see. I'll run the walk of the property now. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'll have submitted this bid and a link to this video. Thanks again. Again, my name's Jesse. Appreciate the time and look forward to potentially working with you. So here's a view of the north fence. That's the maybe replace. Here's the terrible view of the east side. Lots of brush in the way, but we'll walk it and you'll see that's a clear path to build a fence. North west corner, gonna walk along. There you see a board against a tree holding this part up. Coming up here to the east side. So now we're at the northeast corner looking south. This is the fence area that will absolutely be replaced. You see why. It's fallen over there. Missing here. Looks like the previous owner fixed some spots, didn't fix other spots. Did an okay job some places and a terrible job other places. So our hope is to get everything up to spec. Coming to the end of the fence here, they will be they tied into the house towards the middle on the wall over there. I'll get a better view in a second. We're going to go right off the end of that corner. I don't know why they did what they did, but we'll fix that too. There's the gate. Done.